bro, real talk, you can easily make $100 a day doing that. Bro, $100 a day, that's 500 in a week, bro. Easy, you probably make 500 in a week, easy, fam.
We're eating good. It's Jamaican money. I gotta go convert this. I don't even know where to start. See, y'all people that hate and stuff. Look what I'm doing. I don't understand why y'all hate. Bothering none of y'all. Not coming at you with me.
If you don't know, you know now. You can take movies up to Game Exchange. Alright, keep that in effect. I'm gonna tell you how niggas be eating off of this. Alright, everybody knows you can take movies and games up there to Game Exchange. Like game system, and you can sell them stuff, right? Right. Alright, so imagine if you went into a couple stores and you got a couple movies. You didn't pay for them. You just got a couple movies, walk out. A couple movies is like 5 to 10 movies at a time. Really, like, the more you can get, the better for you, but 5 to 10 movies at a time. The best places to go is Dollar Generals, Family Dollars, and Dollar Tree. Well, Dollar Tree is probably not going to have movies like that, but Dollar General and Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar General and Dollar Family. If you don't have those stores out there, then you can even go to like any store that got movies. There's like, got movies you can buy. Anywhere you can get those hoes at, but the easiest place is Dollar General and Dollar Family. People used to do this and go to Walmart and get it. Walmart fed it. Walmart is the feds. Unless you know how to get stuff from Walmart, don't do this. But you can go to different ones, stack up on like, get about at least 20 movies. Each time you go in, get at least 20 movies. And I'm gonna tell y'all the exact movies you need to get. Alright, so you need to get Disney movies, Disney games, and like Pixar, stuff like that. That type of stuff. Yeah, Disney, then the Avengers, superhero movies, and games. Those are the things that you really be targeting. If you can't find those, look for new releases. New releases is gonna get you some money too. Alright, now at this point, you really need HD movies, like the ones that come in the little blue thing. You need those, or you need 4K videos. Now the reason why you need those is because those are gonna get you most of the money. The lower, like the regular movies, like the just regular CDs, they can get you some money too, but you gonna get about like 25 to 50 cents off of those. And really you're gonna get like 25 cents off of those. Yeah, to 25 to 50 cents, depending on what kind of movie it is. But that's how much you can get per movie. So think about it, if you get like the HD movies, fam, or the 4K, you getting like $2 per movie, $1.50 per movie. Like they be $4 per movie. Like especially the Disney Channel movies, and games, especially the new ones, they're worth like $4 per movie. $4 per movie. Stay watching, don't click off. I'm gonna tell y'all how to get the right movies every time. Let's say you bring in 20 movies at a time. Of like the good ones. You gotta keep in mind of the good ones. You're gonna make it easy, you're gonna make at least $20, like $20 to $40, like fam. Easy, like bro. Off of just one run. And bro, 20 movies really not that much. Like if you do that, like the amount of time it takes to do that is probably like an hour. If that, yeah. Bro, you making $40 an hour doing that. You can't tell me you're not making no money off of that, fam. Like you making damn near $40 off like 20 to 40 movies. Like, and that's just one run. You do that 3 times a day, 4 times a day, fam, you easy racking up a good, I don't even know, I'm not even trying to do the math, but like you can easily make up like $100 and something on the hood. How much you make for working a job? I was making more money doing that stuff than going to work, bro. Cause on my off days when they were bullshitting on my hours, fam, a nigga would just, hey, hit a couple of licks, get a couple of movies, stack it up. And the thing about it, bro, if you already got these movies in your house, they're DVDs. No one uses DVDs no more. You can go and get all the DVDs you can, fam. Your family might just like have laying around that they don't care about, or like ask them for it. Don't take it from your family, fam. That's some other stuff. But yeah, get the movies and stuff. Nigga, you can easily get a big stack of like the regular movies. I know for sure. Get a stack of those hoes, bro. You gonna be set on the hood, bro. Niggas used to come in there with backpacks full of movies, fam. Straight movies on the hood, bro. Like, bro, I seen a nigga make a good 200 off of the movies, fam. One, bro, and I see this nigga every day on the hood. This nigga was, bro, like, I'll be up there. That nigga will be up there too. Like, nigga, we up there 4 times a day, 5 times a day, nigga. Hey, racking in money, bro. Hood, nigga, this is how a nigga used to get gas money, bro. Nigga wouldn't have no money in his account, bro. Bro, what? Nigga would be quick to go ahead and slide down there and go ahead and get a little something. Hood, nigga, I put 5 in my tank, nigga, I'm straight. On the hood, nigga, I go hit another one. Duh, nigga, put another 5 in my tank. Hood, I be straight for real. That's $10 in my tank. $10 gonna last me a whole day almost. Hood, then I got another motherfucking, I got another $30 from each time I went, fam. Like, I got another $10 every time I went, fam. Like, nigga just stacked that off to the side. Hood, nigga was straight. Nigga could buy gas for his car, gas put in him, and put some money in his pocket on crib, 2 strays. Hood, be smoking good all day, nigga. Be driving around, bro. You ain't gotta really worry about too much, bro. And if you go to the right places, like I said, Family Dollar and Dollar General, bro, it's easy to get movies like that. But it's gonna be a little bit harder to get you're not gonna find no 4K videos, but you can find some Blu-ray movies. That's what they call Blu-ray movies on the hood, Blu-rays. So you can find the Blu-ray movies up there. And the Blu-rays, they gonna get you like $4, $3 per, like if it's a Disney movie, you're gonna get like $4 to $3 off of those. But if it's just like a regular Blu-ray DVD, you're gonna get like 50 cents to like 75 cents off of each one. But if it's like one of the Disney or Marvel or like one of those, you know, the main, like the kids ones, like the top dollar ones, yeah, those, you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get cashed out for those hoes. Is all you gotta do is go to Game Exchange with the whoop, get the little money, boom, head back to the store. Or re-up, nigga. It's like the drug business, fam. Hood, nigga. All you gotta do is just re-up back up on those hoes, nigga, and you know exactly where to take them, fam. Go ahead and get that money cashed out to you on crib. Hood, bro. Real talk. You can easily make $100 a day doing that, bro. $100 a day, that's $500 in a week, bro. Easily, you probably make $500 in a week, easy, fam. Damn near $600 in a week, fam. Like, of course, it's gonna cost you money, gas money to go driving with the wood, and it's not necessarily gonna make a whole bunch off of every time you go. Just off the fact that it depends on the movies you get, but you know how you get the right movies. And I just told y'all the key to getting the right movies, fam. Bro, and look at your receipt. When you get your receipt back of all the movies you cashed out, it's gonna tell you exactly how much money each movie was worth. When you do that, fam, look at which movies gave you the most money back on the hood and just cash out on those hoes. Just target those hoes, and those is how you gonna get your money on the hood. But yeah, that's how you stack up a little money on the weekends on crib, do trades.
I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stuck in this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. If I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't arresting me, a felony. All my nigga rest in peace, remember me.